For anything you've done for anyone to be recognized by the Almighty God and you be rewarded for it, you have to always leave your cameras at home if you're going to that charity home to do one good will or the other. Otherwise, you've got your reward here on earth. If you get your reward here on earth and you are supposed to get your reward again in heaven, does it work that way? Which of the rewards do you prefer? Do you prefer the reward in heaven to the reward on earth, or do you prefer both? But you just can't get both of them. If you prefer to get your reward here on earth, then you should be able to forget about the one in heaven, because paradise reward is the best. That's all you need to know.